In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of updating your address on Shein step by step. Firstly, open the Shein app on your device. Next, click on your profile or Me from the bottom bar. Then, navigate to Settings and click on Address Book. Select your shipping address to view it. To add a new shipping address, go back and click on Add a shipping address here. You can enter the new address details including your name, phone number, address location, and save it. Return to Settings and tap on Location. Choose a random location, but note that your data is collected independently on US websites and will not be shared with others. To change the location, you may need to register with a new account or continue with the current one. Click to continue with the AU website and choose your account to sign in. Click to agree and then click on your profile icon from the bottom bar. Tap on Location and select your desired location on this account. That's it. You've successfully updated your address on Shein. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.